Hi there, welcome back. The price action with AMC is pretty obvious for everybody to see. It's a bit upsetting that AMC is now red, but that's obvious. What we want to look at today are a few things which don't necessarily stick out immediately. A few things going on behind the scenes which don't take much digging, but I do want to share them with you in this video because I think they are related. Now, as you may be able to tell, and as you should note, this is only my opinion. It's not advice, it's just what I personally believe, but we're going to dive straight in. Now we have a lot to look at, but we're going to start off on the Twitter of Adam Aaron, and Adam Aaron has posted this fairly recently. He's speaking about the memes that he has seen, and of course that is in relation to him and Highcroft. Now, the whole Highcroft Mining thing, as I've spoken about in an earlier video, many people see it as controversial. I do see both sides of it. I do think it is a very interesting place, but I think overwhelmingly investors have taken well to it. And again, I think it is another area of diversification, especially in these times, which cannot necessarily be seen as a bad thing for AMC or any company in the current market conditions. Gold and silver, again, generally a stable asset. When markets are not doing well, they usually are. So I see Adam's logic behind it. So that's one thing that I wanted to cover. Now, of course, we have a lot more than that. The next one's going to be about Citadel. This was posted on the 16th, and it says Citadel faces potential default on a Russian tech company. This is saying how Citadel is facing that default on convertible bonds from Russia's Yandex NV. It's an internet technology company that provides internet search engine results in Russia, and we can see how that works. Now, we're not going to read the article, but you guys get how things are going. And this just goes to show another one of these pieces which gives us a bit of an idea of how things work and how things can change. Again, read into it what you will. It's not my job to interpret it for you, but I can share the info with you nevertheless. Now, the next piece is coming from Bloomberg. It's talking about China. It says developer stocks surge after China's pledge regarding Evergrande. And if we have a quick read of it, it tells us about the main things. It's saying that Chinese bonds jumped over time and all that sort of stuff. But really what we're seeing, on top of that, whilst that is something that happened in a relatively short period of time, initially, if we can go back, we see how things actually played out. For instance, we're seeing shares tumble the most since 2008. So yes, we did see a little bit of a surge, but as the article does go into a list, it speaks about how a lot of people think that may not be anything worth noting, as perhaps people are already fearful. But it is definitely important to note the drop that we have seen is a very, very substantial one. So do not forget that when you're looking at this. And again, whilst we are seeing a little bit of a surge, and some may see that as good news, in actuality, others believe it is not, because others believe it is just too late to try and restore confidence in the markets over there. So it's been a short video, but we did cover a few things. Again, this video is not intended to do your DD for you. I definitely could have read these articles out to you and made a 10 to 15, even 20 minute long video, but that's not what I'm here to do. I'm here to share a few things that I am looking at, and that is what I have my eyes on highlighting at the moment. Again, it's for you to decide whether you think it is useful. Hopefully this video was useful for you. Again, it's not financial advice, it's just what I'm looking at, but if you did find it useful, do subscribe. More stuff's coming at you throughout the day and of course throughout the rest of the week, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already done so. But for now, I'm going to say goodbye. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all later. So thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.